our chief guest, and all my loving Indian brothers and sisters, and all my little childrens. Today is the 79th Independence Day. We all are gathered here to remind our freedom struggle and remind our freedom heroes and those who sacrificed their life for our freedom, for our nation, and for our constitution, for our happiness. Guys, you know, before 200 years ago, India ruled by British government, and Britishers come to India for the purpose of trading, for the purpose of business. But slowly, they become greedy on Indians' culture, tradition, and heritage because India was the golden nation, and where was lots of gold, silver, diamond, iron, bauxite, and which was attract to the Britishers too much. Finally, Britishers and wanted to capture different part of the India, and they ruled over us and more than 200 years. And that day, people were very topsy-turvy. We don't have freedom to speak, freedom to eat, and we don't have freedom to move anywhere. That day, we were ruled by the Britisher as a monarchy country, and they were doing monopoly work, and we don't have freedom. And today, we are moving hither and thither freedomly because of our freedom heroes and their sacrification. I would like to tell you that India is the greatest country in the world, and this is the best democratic country in the world, and this is the republican country of the world because of our freedom heroes. And you know, guys, and now India is a sovereign country because there are different religion people live in India, but we all are equal on the eyes of the government. That's why we say India is the sovereign country. And you know, guys, and India is the secularism country, and India is the multilingual country, and India is the multi-religion country. So whatever present in India, that is not present in other country of the world. And we all Indians are freedom, and we are maintaining independent life, and because of our freedom heroes. Guys, you know who sacrificed their life? You might have known Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Tantiya Tope, Jairaj Guru, Lakshman Naik, all. And also Veer Savarkar and Lakshmi Bai, Baji Raut, they all sacrificed their life for our nation, for our country, and for our Indian brother and sister, and for their sacrification of life and for their donation of blood. And we are maintaining independent life. We are observing Independence Day on 15 August. So I would like to tell you that, and this is the time, and we should have to understand importance of freedom for our life. You might have known what happened in the Afghanistan, and due to the Taliban attack, they lost their freedom, they lost their independence, and they become topsy-turvy for their freedom and for their independence. I would like to tell you that now condition in Bangladesh is not so good. Condition in Pakistan is not so good, but we Indian proudly saying that we are independent and we are Republican. I would like to tell you that this is the time for us. We all should think about our country, think about our freedom, think about our Indian constitution, think about our independence, and we should work unitedly, and we should help each other, and we should respect our national flag Tiranga. We should respect our Indian constitution. We should respect our national bar, national and fruits and national songs and national games. And in this way, we should live unitedly and make our India best country in the world. And so that Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, and even America cannot do anything with us. And we must progress, and we are progressing, and we must be a successful countryman in the world. So I hope you all understand the meaning of independence. You must understand the meaning of freedom struggle. You must understand the sacrification of freedom fighters. So this is my last request. You should love India and all Indians so that we can proudly maintain our Independence Day every year like this. Thank you, guys. Have a good day.